Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, today we're going to talk about shapes. But the shapes we will talk about today are solid shapes. Okay, do you remember how we learned and we were learning about solid shapes in the classroom? Okay, we will review it again today. Now, here I have a solid shape. What does this look like, boys and girls? It's round. It looks like a ball, doesn't it? Well, this solid shape is called what? Who remembers? Yes, a sphere. A sphere is a solid. You can squeeze it and it stays the same as solid. Okay, shape. And this one here is called a sphere. It looks like a ball. What about the next shape? What is this shape, boys and girls? Look at it. What does it look like? It looks like a box, right? It looks like a box. Well, it also kind of looks like a square on one side, and it looks like a square on the other side, and another square on this side, and another square on this side. This is called a cube. The solid shape cube looks like a box. Next is what, boys and girls? A cone. A cone. It has a round bottom. It has a pointy top. It looks like a little bit like a triangle, doesn't it? Well, this solid shape is called a cone. And if I were to turn it around like this, and I would put the sphere on top, what does it look like? It looks like an ice cream cone, doesn't it? Yep. This is a cone, boys and girls. The solid shape cone. What's this next shape, boys and girls? It has round bottoms. And it's long, like a tube. What does it look like? It looks like a can, doesn't it? Like a can of corn or a can of beans or a can of chicken noodle soup. Well, this solid shape is called a cylinder. Everybody say cylinder. Next, what is this shape called? It looks like a rectangle on one side, and it looks like another rectangle on this side, and it looks like a rectangle on this side, and it looks like a rectangle on this side. This solid shape is called rectangular prism. What's it called again? Rectangular prism. Okay? Rectangular prism. It's a solid shape. It's thick, solid, rectangular prism. It also looks like a juicy box. Okay? Those juicy fruit box. A juice box, doesn't it? Yep. And the last shape is a hexagon. It's not an octagon. Remember, octagon has 8 sides. This is a hexagon, and a hexagon has 6 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6. 6 sides. That's how you know it's a hexagon. What's the name of this solid shape? Hexagon. Let's review. Round like a ball. Sphere, solid shape. Looks like a box. Cube, solid shape. Looks like an ice cream cone. And the shape is a cone, solid shape. Looks like a triangle sometimes too. the cone solid shape. Next, this one here looks like a can. And this is called a cylinder solid shape. Cylinder solid shape. This one here is called a rectangular prism solid shape. And it looks like a juice box. Rectangular prism solid shape. And the last one is a hexagon. A hexagon has how many sides? That's right, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. All right, boys and girls, I'm glad you enjoyed your lesson on solid shapes. I'm going to say it one more time. All of these are solid shapes. Sphere, cube, cone, cylinder, rectangular prism, and hexagon, 6 sides, the hexagon solid shape. All right, boys and girls, practice at home. Try to find things that look like the sphere. Try to find things that look like the cube. Find things that look like a rectangular prism. Try to find things that look like a cylinder. Try to look for things that looks like a cone. And let's see if you can find, this one's a hard one, if you can find something that looks like a hexagon. Like a hexagon. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the lesson on solid shapes. Bye.